Hello my dear students, welcome to your maths class. In today's class we are going to discuss our chapter number 7, fractions. So let's start the chapter fraction. The concept of fraction we will learn with the help of a story. A story in which Rohan is a boy who is having his birthday. He invited his 5 friends for the birthday party. Now he wanted to share his birthday cake with them, including him. So he thought he would divide the cake into equal parts. This cake is a whole. Divide the cake into 6 equal parts for equal sharing. Now, one out of these 6 parts can be expressed as 1 by 6. 2 out of these 6 parts can be expressed as 2 by 6. 3 out of these 6 parts can be expressed as 3 by 6. And for 4, 4 by 6, 5, 5 by 6. It means fraction express a part of a whole. Here are some real life based examples for the fraction. In this first picture, different fruits are having different parts of a whole. In the second picture, we are taking 1/8 of a pizza. Here, 1 is said to be the numerator and 8 is said to be the denominator. And the third one is for different sizes of measuring spoons. Now come to the next slide for the types of fractions. Fractions are of 3 types. First is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, third is mixed fraction. Let's elaborate these fractions. If you have a numerator which is less than the denominator, it means you are having a proper fraction. For example, 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 is a fraction having the numerator 5 which is less than the denominator 6. It means it is a proper fraction. Second one is your improper fraction. If your numerator is equal to or greater than to the denominator, it means your fraction is said to be an improper fraction. For example, 8 upon 6. In this, 8 is greater than 6. It means it shows an improper fraction. Next one is your mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 1 whole 2 upon 6. Here 1 is a whole part and 2 by 6 is a proper fraction. So, the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is said to be a mixed fraction. So, 1 whole 2 by 6 is your mixed fraction. Now, simplest form of a fraction. A fraction in which the numerator and the denominator only have 1 as a common factor. It means when you have a fraction with the numerator and denominator having 1 as a common factor. For example, 1 upon 2. Here, for the numerator and for the denominator, you are only having 1 as a common factor. So, it is in the simplest form. But if you have a fraction 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is not a simplest form. As you can see, 2 and 4. For 2 and 4, you have two factors, two common factors, 1 and 2. 2 by 4, आपका 1 से भी cancel होगा and 2 से भी cancel होगा. So it means it is not in the simplest form. So we will cut out these two numbers by 2. So it will be 1 by 2. Now it is in the simplest form. Same for the 3 by 6. So we will cut out 3 and 6 by 3. So we will get the answer 1 by 2. Now, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. They are fractions that name the same amount or a part. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are all the equivalent fractions. As you can see in these given pictures, might be they are looking different, but they all are equivalent fractions as they are having 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. 1 by 2 is already in the simplest form. 2 by 4 is not in the simplest form, so we will convert into in the simplest form, and the simplest form will be 1 by 2. And for 4 by 8, the simplest form will be 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are all the equivalent fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. In like fractions, denominator is same, while in unlike fractions, both the numerator and denominator are different. Like fraction में आपका denominator हमेशा same होगा, no matter what is the numerator is, but denominator is same. And in the unlike fractions, denominator and numerator both are different. For example, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are all the example of like fractions. As you can see, denominator is same in all the given fractions 5, 5, 5 and 5. In unlike fractions, 3 by 8, 2 by 3, 3 by 5 and 2 by 7 are the examples. As you can see, both the numerator and denominator are different. Now, the next is addition and subtraction of fractions. So, when the denominator is same, addition is quite easy as you can directly add the numerator. For example, you have given two fractions 3 by 5 and 1 by 5 having the same denominator 5. So you can simply add the numerator 3 and 1 to get the answer 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is your required sum. In the next subtraction, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. In this, 4 is the denominator. So when the denominator is same, you can simply subtract the fractions. 3 minus 2. It will be 1. So answer is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is the required difference. But things changed when denominator is different. So our next slide is for addition and subtraction of fractions when the denominator is different. So now if you want to add 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, so how would you add? So you have to take the LCM of different denominators. So here 4 and 3 are the given denominators to you. So we will take the LCM of 4 and 3. Make both the denominator and numerator equals to the LCM. Then you will add the numerator. It means LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12 and 3 plus 4 will be the numerator upon 12. Answer is 7 upon 12. Next, same for the subtraction. We will take LCM for the different denominators and then make both the denominator and numerator same equals to the LCM, which is 9. Now 7 minus 6 upon 9. So the answer is 1 upon 9. So I hope I have made my clear to you. Thank you students. God bless you.